Tips to Get Rich in 2023 by Robert Kiyosaki. Are you ready to learn how to get wealthy in 2023? In this video, we'll look into the renowned financial expert Robert Kiyosaki's excellent insights and suggestions to help you reach financial prosperity. Prepare to open the doors of fortune and embark on an adventure that might transform your life forever. Consider a future in which financial concerns are obsolete. Consider having a liberated life in which money works for you instead than against you. What if, even in the ever-changing world of 2023, there were tried and true methods for producing long-term wealth? Prepare to discover the secrets to success as we examine Robert Kiyosaki's ageless wisdom and discover how you may apply these ideas to alter your financial destiny. Robert Kiyosaki is a prominent investor, author, and businessman, best known for his groundbreaking book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. His philosophy is on passive income, investing in wealth-generating assets, and financial education. In 2023, these ideas are still relevant because they have stood the test of time. Let's begin with these game-changing concepts and insights. Point 1. The effectiveness of financial education. To be successful in the complicated financial landscape of 2023, you must prioritize financial education. It is not just about obtaining official degrees, but also about knowing how money works, learning about numerous investment options, and cultivating a wealth-building attitude. The foundation of your financial empire will be information. How then can you begin your journey towards financial literacy? What easy techniques can you use to increase your financial literacy and knowledge? Point 2. Embracing the digital asset age. Digital assets have become a popular means of accumulating wealth by 2023. Embracing new types of assets such as cryptocurrency and digital real estate may be extremely beneficial. They do, however, come with risks and volatility. How can you make educated judgments while avoiding pitfalls? What are some practical hints for navigating the world of digital assets in a secure and profitable manner? Point 3. Earning passive income for financial independence. To attain financial freedom, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the significance of developing passive income sources. In 2023, the gig economy and internet enterprises will provide several options to generate passive income. But how can you identify revenue streams that match your talents and interests? In the digital era, how can you find and establish dependable passive income streams? Point 4. Real estate investing strategies. Real estate investing is still one of the most reliable ways to accumulate money. The real estate market in 2023 will present distinct problems and possibilities. What are some crucial tactics for real estate investment success? What are the finest real estate investment strategies for 2023, and how can you use technology to your advantage? Point 5. The entrepreneurial spirit. In 2023, the entrepreneurial sector is thriving and has a huge amount of potential for wealth creation. Whether you start a software company, a niche e-commerce site, or a service-based business, entrepreneurship may lead to significant financial benefits. The journey is not without its challenges, though. How do you build a profitable company while surviving the frantic entrepreneurial world? What are some of the crucial characteristics and methods that successful entrepreneurs will have in 2023? Sixth point, dealing with economic uncertainty. The global economy is always evolving, and unexpected occurrences can have an influence on financial markets and stability. We confront unprecedented economic problems in 2023, including inflation, geopolitical instability, and technology changes. How can you preserve your wealth and prosper in an unpredictable economy? What are some prudent financial decisions you may undertake to protect your investments during turbulent times? Point 7. Wealth mindset and psychology. Financial success requires more than just statistics. It requires adopting the correct mentality and understanding the psychology of wealth. Your financial development may be hampered by limiting ideas and self-doubt. How can you cultivate a mentality that attracts success and plenty in 2023? What are some practical strategies for overcoming financial challenges and adopting a wealth-oriented mindset? Point 8. Making use of social media and personal branding. Social media has evolved into a significant instrument for personal branding and money production in the digital age of 2023. Influencers and content providers with a worldwide audience may monetize their online presence. How can you use social media to improve your financial chances and generate several sources of income? In 2023, what are some successful tactics for developing your own brand and monetizing your internet presence? Point 9. Spread your investment portfolio. Diversification will be an important role of wise investment in 2023. It is dangerous to rely entirely on one investing avenue. How can you build a well-balanced and diverse investment portfolio that meets your financial objectives and risk tolerance? What asset classes and investment vehicles are advised for diversifying your portfolio in 2023? Point 10. Adaptability in the digital age. Because of technical breakthroughs and sociological shifts, the globe is quickly developing. Staying adaptive and open to new chances will be critical for financial success in 2023. How do you remain ahead of the curve and use innovation to your advantage? To summarize, achieving wealth in 2023 will necessitate a combination of financial education, digital asset adoption, passive income generation, smart real estate investments, entrepreneurship, navigating economic uncertainty, cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset, leveraging social media, diversifying investments, and remaining adaptable. By incorporating these essential ideas into your financial path, you will be better prepared to capitalize on opportunities and create long-term wealth. We appreciate your companionship on this informative journey. Take charge of your financial future by using the information and advice provided in this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with others who are seeking financial independence if you find this information to be helpful. Until next time, keep moving forward on your path to financial success and fulfillment.